Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about the two companies, GM and Ford. They will be getting access to the Tesla Supercharger as soon as February 2024. So according to this article by Electrics, it says GM and Ford owners are going to be the first to gain access to Tesla Supercharger Network starting in February 2024. Virtually all automakers selling electric vehicles in North America have announced that they will adopt Tesla NACS connector in the future electric vehicles to take advantage of the Supercharger network. Most of them already did. Most of them said that the rollout will take the form of an adapter in 2024 and followed by direct integrations in the new electric vehicle started in 2025. Now we get new details about the exact rollout thanks to the comment of a Tesla employee at a city planning committee for a new supercharger stations. At the Far West City Planning meeting, Jenny Peter, Tesla design manager of charging infrastructure, was asked if the new station is only for Tesla owners, and in her response, she revealed interesting new details about the rollout. Our first car companies, Ford and GM, are starting in February 2024. Once they have the charge port, properly meant adapter, and software to interface with our charging stations, they will actually be open to those vehicles. And this appears to confirm that Tesla plans to make an adapter available to Ford and GM EV owners as soon as February. And here they have like a video clip of the committee. Tesla has already opened up Supercharger to all other EVs at station equipped with its Magic Dock, which is an integrated to CCS adapter. But this is a new initiative that would sell adapter to non-Tesla EV owners in order to allow them to access Tesla 1,000 exciting Supercharger stations all over North America. Alright, so since we're talking about charging, I just want to give an insight on, I just came back from a trip from Yorba Linda, and I was charging, it was down to 37%. Actually, funny thing is my battery indicator says 37%, and then to the destination of where the supercharger is 38. So I don't know how's that even possible, but that's what happened earlier. But when I went to the supercharger and I set it up to 80, first I set it to 80%, and it charged completely to 80%, and then it stops. And then out of curiosity, I just set it up to like 85%, and then it's click on, it's about to charge or to initiate the charge, and then it stops, and then it rolled down the percentage down to 80 again, and it says something about at a heavy congestion superchargers, you're only limited to 80%. And at that time, there's nobody's waiting in line, so I don't know how Tesla determined that it's congested, you know? If it was like a lot of people line up or all the stalls are taken, I get it. But there was still stalls available, and it only limit up to 80%. So I don't know if initially, if I would have set it to 100, I don't know if it would allow me to charge it all the way. Who knows? Yeah, but that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you love the channel and its content, feel free to subscribe. Other than that, take care, and I will see you guys in the next video.